since false, these two numbers will never change and go back to the loop. So since 17 is lesser than 24, so 17 now will go again to the loop. So after that, minimum now will become 1. Ri will also become 1, and k will become 2. So the minimum now, or the temporal number, is this the minimum, because the minimum value. So I will check again. So if 24 less than 17, and the answer is false. So since false, uh, we don't never change this, because this number is already been in uh, sorted, or already been arranged in order. So it will go to the loop, or it will go there. Here, check next. So I now will become 2, minimum will become 2, and 3 plus plus will become 3. So 2 goes here, it will become 2, 2 will become 3. So continue. So 8 now becomes 58. I don't know. 8 to 8. So we done this. Okay, okay, okay. So since they are in the right position, they don't need to form they speak. 24 is lesser than 50. So 8 now will become 58. And 8 is 11. So it's 11 is 58. So since true, we need to swap this. Um, we need to swap this to array. So two array values. We need to swap this to this, because 11 is lesser than 52. And here, A, G will become 11. So go back again to the loop. So I now will become 3. Meaning will become 3. And k plus plus become 4. So since we need to change this variable, when we need to change the values. 3, this will become 4. Value is, I mean, A4 so 62, A3 is 58. So is 62 greater than 58? Is 62 less than 58? So since false, it will never change, since 58 is lesser than 62. So they are in the right position. They didn't need to swap since it is false. So again, our minimum now, our number will start at the bottom again. So it will now it is the third passes. So we will go back again, to this number. So we'll go back to A1 to RA1 to RA0. Change this again. 0, 0. Our minimum is also 0. K. Then since K plus plus will become 1. K plus 1. So as you can see here, 10 to 24, 11, 52, 58, 62. As you can see, these number are not properly arranged. So we need to rearrange these array values again to see until we can get the right answer. So here, as you can see, so 17, 17, 24, and here is 17. So it's 24 less than 17. So false. It is false because 17 is lesser than 24. So never change. Go back again to this condition. So to check, so I 1, minimum also 1, and our key now will become 2. It's because key plus plus. So here come 1, and our array will become 2, and our A1 is 24, A2 is 11. Is 11 lesser than is 11 less than 24? So it's true. So what condition is when the condition is true, we need to swap this the array value since it is true and it's lesser than the minimum value. So we need to swap this value. So you can see here, um, using this, using this formula, or as you can see program, you can swap these two number or two array values. So it's now become 11, it's now become 24. So as you can see, it is not properly arranged. So now we will go to oh my God. Sorry guys, it is 5, it is 5. So n is 5 since our number of array values is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're now in fourth passes. It is now the fourth passes and the final passes since our code is, as you can see, k is equals to k and minus 1. So here, using minus 1, we can compare this two number, and since we're using bubble sort, you need to go in iteration, and by using iteration, we can see the run or how the program arrange or how the program sorted. So the number of passes or iteration happen, it always depend on how many mm, array you use, or how many number of values uh, you ask. That always depend on your program. So like whether you do, I enter four array which is five array values. So that's why n minus one which is n minus one and 5 minus 1 it is the fourth process, and I know that it is the final process I need to arrange or to sort my program to sort the array values. So